Hi everyone, today I am bringing you a cooking video with not so much of cooking. This is breakfast for champs. Oh yeah. And of course, breakfast needs to be approved by husband. And yep, that face tells it all. It's really good. So I went ahead and I added the sweet potato strings from Trader Joe's. I add pepper to taste, and I obviously add jalapenos to it. I add 2 eggs to the mix, and then we mix it all up. Then you add your favorite cheese. Then I remove this mix and I serve it, and then I use the same pan to fry 2 eggs. 1 for Josh and 1 for me. Then when that's done, you add it to your sweet potato mix, and then you add more cheese because you can never have enough cheese. And we are avocado lovers, so I am adding half an avocado for me and half an avocado for Josh, and then I go ahead and I sprinkle everything but the bagel on top of the avocado, and then I add my favorite hot sauce, hot pepper sauce on top, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys try this because it's so delicious. I'm not gonna say it's healthy because it probably isn't, but it's just so delicious. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.